This young lady has chosen Gabriella. Please prepare the doll for travel.
Certainly.
Ah, so I guess you want money now.
Yes. Your total with tax comes to $156.20.
What?
Is there an issue?
$150?
For a doll?
For a Fresno girl doll.
My mom's had butt surgery that didn't cost that much.
You guys, if it's too much money, you don't have to buy Gabriella for me. I'm used to being disappointed.
Ouch.
No, you got an A- on your test.
And we promised we'd buy you a Fresno Girl doll.
Cash or credit card?
Cash? Congratulations, little one. Gabriella is yours.
But where's her hair?
And where's her clothes?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you girls wish to buy some accessories?
You're saying that hair and clothes are extra?
All Fresno girl dolls come just as real children are born.
Hairless and naked?